Well, definitely we start from the digital agenda and what's said in the digital agenda, since we see that this part of the work seems to be the most important for the common market. And Poland, as you probably know, is still quite enthusiastic about the idea of the common market and also in the electronic form. So for this reason we support all the actions that will create the single market in Europe in the electronic field, and we understand, as it is said in the digital agenda, that it is not possible to reach such a situation without the confidence and trust among the society in how it operates and how secure it is. So to take the measures which are shown in the digital agenda is the condition sine qua non for the single market. So that's, I may say, the priority. Of course, we were expecting, even half a year ago, we were expecting that we will start to work on the new legal base for the personal data protection in Europe. As you know, the Commission said that the draft will be ready by June. Even if we didn't expect it in June, we thought we will start the discussion around September. It will not happen. As you know, the date which is right now given by the Commission is late November. So it means that the work actually will start in December, right before the Christmas time. So we do not expect anything else as far as the legal background is concerned than just the kick-off of the discussion. And we would like to do it during the Polish presidency to show that this is the very important aspect of the activity. That's also connected with the fact that we were not taking part in preparing the background that we have right now. As you know, Poland is the member of the European Union since 2004, which means that we somehow inherited what the other countries decided some years ago. Our law on personal data protection is already from 1997, but it was based on the directive, but we didn't have any role in preparing the legal background that we have at the moment. So for this reason, it seems to be extremely important for us to prepare the background for our future work.